Hi everyone, I'm Alex, Pro Artist for Charlotte Tilbury. Let me show you how to recreate this easy 10-minute holiday makeup look. Starting off with Hollywood Contour Wand in shade medium. I'll take this right across the forehead, and then with Hollywood Complexion Brush, I'm really going to blend this out into the hairline and just across the forehead to give this sun-kissed look. Popping the product here will make this look like a natural tan, as this is where you catch the sun first. And then with the same product, just below the cheekbones, I'm blending this in upwards and outwards motions up towards the hairline and the temple. Again, creating that sun-kissed glow, which is perfect. And then same on this side. And for a holiday glow, I love to pop a little tiny bit just here across the bridge of the nose. I'm now using Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand in Peach Gasm. This gives a lovely natural glow to the skin. And I'm actually going to mix this with a tiny bit of Gold Gasm highlighter, taking the Hollywood Complexion Brush and really blending the two together. And using these shades mixed together gives that real beachy kind of glow. And with the product that's left on the brush, I'll take this just across the bridge of the nose. Now I'm using one of the sparkle shades from the Sensual Sunset palette, which is gorgeous warm tones, really nice and golden. Again, fitting in with that holiday beachy vibe. And I'm applying this with my finger. So easy, so quick. And same on the other side. So I've used this shade at the top just with my finger, swiped across the eyelid, and then the pop shade here at the bottom, which is this golden shade, to really top that off and give a little extra sparkle. Now to finish off the eyes, a tiny bit of Exaggereyes mascara, just to really open them up, and then same on the other side. And for the lips, I'm taking Collagen Lip Bath in shade Pillow Talk Intense. I like to pop this just in the centre of the lips and then blend that out, just using a finger. So to keep your holiday makeup in place, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Powder, and this is the shade 1. The final step to make sure this lasts all day is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and mist that straight across the face. This is the final 10-minute holiday makeup look. Thank you for watching.